Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your time zone management with World Clock detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the concept of time zones. Understanding time zones is crucial for effective management. Research the different time zones relevant to your needs. Identify the major locations where you have contacts or obligations. Access the World Clock feature available on various devices and websites. If using a smartphone, open the clock application. For desktop users, consider visiting a reliable World Clock website. Add your primary time zone to the World Clock. Locate the option to add multiple time zones. Enter the locations you identified earlier. Take note of the current time in each added location. Explore the option to customize labels for each time zone. Labeling can help you quickly identify locations at a glance. Utilize color coding if the application allows. This can enhance visual organization and reduce confusion. Set alerts for important meetings or events across different time zones. Use the alarm feature in your clock app for reminders. Be mindful of daylight saving time changes where applicable. Adjust your scheduling accordingly in your calendar. Familiarize yourself with strategies for effective communication across time zones. Timing your messages can greatly improve response rates. Consider using scheduling tools that integrate with your calendar. These tools can automatically account for time zone differences. Regularly assess and adjust your World Clock settings. This ensures you always have up-to-date information. Utilize the World Clock in daily routines to build a habit. With consistent use, you'll improve your time management skills. Stay informed about global events that may affect your scheduling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.